Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to enable JavaScript in a specific site in Chrome on your PC. JavaScript is a powerful scripting language that enhances the functionality and interactivity of websites. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that JavaScript is enabled for a specific site. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the More button. It's represented by 3 vertical dots. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Go to Privacy and Security in the Settings menu. Step 5. Click on Site Settings. Step 6. Under the Content section, find and click on JavaScript. Step 7. Next to Allow to use JavaScript. Click on Add. Step 8. Add the specific site for which you want to enable JavaScript. By following these steps, you can easily enable JavaScript for a specific site in Chrome on your PC. This can be particularly useful if you encounter any issues with JavaScript functionality on a specific website. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.